Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm still 33 weeks and 6 days. I must be 34 tomorrow, Tuesday. And right now I'm just picking up my room. I have no energy, y'all. Like my head hurts, and yeah, like I'm just going through it. But I'm just organizing my room. I'm about to put the bed sheets on my bed right now and just get this room cleaned up and organized. It's just a hot mess. But yeah, let's go do that. Okay guys, so I finished organizing, folding the clothes, and picking up my room. Now it looks so much better compared to how it was this morning. Now I'm about to go take a shower because my head hurts and like my body just hurts. Like I'm just so over this. I cannot wait to give birth. Like my body feels exhausted, tired, like it's just too much. So I'm about to go take a shower right now. Hopefully I feel better. My back already started hurting, which that means I've been moving too much. But yeah, I'm about to go take a shower and I'll catch you guys when I come out the shower. Okay, so I got ready. I did this bun. My bun is kind of messed up, but whatever. There's my outfit. I have brown leggings on, some house sandals, a sport bra, a jean jacket, and then my bag. I'm just gonna go grab an oil from the beauty supply quickly, so let's go do that. I really made it to the beauty supply. I'm gonna see if I find oil here. So I made it back home. I have my little bag, my little purse. Now I'm about to go home and get ready to go to work. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the night once I come back from work. Okay, y'all. So I came back from work like 3 hours ago. I had a bad ass headache. That's why it looks crazy. I took a nap because my head was like going crazy. So I took a shower, I ate, and I took a pill. As you can see, I just woke up from a nap. And yeah, I took a pill because my head was honestly hurting. I took a nap, my head still kind of hurts, not too much. And here on this side. And so now I'm just chilling on my bed and trying to relax and try to take the night easy and relax my body. Tomorrow, on Tuesday, I'm gonna be 34 weeks. So we're almost there. We got a couple of more weeks to go. We're almost there. Honestly, I just have to try my best to relax. I know it's hard, like, for me to like be on my bed, but I gotta try to relax because sometimes I be doing too much. And that's why my body gets like so exhausted. I do feel a little better now that I did take a nap. I ate and I just been on my bed. But yeah, this is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye. Make sure you subscribe and like this video.